Welcome to Daily CoinCu Crypto News. Here are today's headlines. BitMEX CEO says to launch BMEX exchange token later this year. Luna Classic is up 70%, Binance burns all transaction fees on LUNC spot. Celsius Network ex-CEO Mashinsky withdrew $10 million before the bankruptcy. Cryptocurrency exchange volumes increased 16% in September 2022. Opensea users paid $144.5 million in fees in Q3. Now let's dive to the details. BitMEX CEO says to launch BMEX exchange token later this year. CEO of BitMEX shared in an interview at the Token 2049 event held in Singapore recently that crypto futures and spot exchange BitMEX are planning launching its exchange token, BMEX, later this year. Token owners will be eligible for reductions on trading fees as well as other benefits, just as holders of other exchange tokens like BNB and FTT. Hopner said the precise launch date is dependent on whether the exchange's management thinks there won't be another tremendous dip in the near future. The token's dropping price would be the focus of attention rather than the exchange's new features or other successes, like its registrations in Italy and Switzerland, he claimed, if it were to launch right before a dip. Luna Classic is up 70%, Binance burns all transaction fees on LUNC spot. Terra's Luna Classic gained big to 70% for the week and over 44% for the month. The price hit $0.000365 on Sunday, showing that traders are awaiting the final burning mechanism of Binance on October 4th. Burning will decrease the total supply, then typically gain the price value of tokens. Even though this gain in the value of Terra is far from the peak of $100 price in April, the trading volume in the last few days has made Luna Classic of the top 10 cryptocurrencies, reaching the market cap of $2.1 billion. Celsius Network ex-CEO Mashinsky withdrew $10 million before the bankruptcy. The mass withdrawal of large numbers from this firm as the turbulence in the market together with the Celsius Network's financial status has spooked these customers. This firm froze all withdrawals from June, and hundreds of customers could able to access their funds. 1 month later, Celsius Network filed for bankruptcy with $1.2 million on its balance sheet. Last year, the firm reached the peak of $25 billion worth after the promotion of high-rate interest up to 18% compared with other cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency exchange volumes increased 16% in September 2022. After a 3-month lull, the cryptocurrency exchange saw a remarkable increase of 16% since May 2022. The trading volume in September 2022 reached $733 billion, which makes up a 16% month-over-month upturn. The reported data showed that the volume in the preceding 3 months is $629 billion, $633 billion, and $630 billion, respectively. Opensea users paid $144.5 million in fees in Q3. Token Terminal revealed that just $35 million was sent to Opensea LLC. This indicates that creators received 76% of the fees. This is hardly unexpected given that the NFT marketplace only takes 2.5% of the sale as fees, whereas creators can set fees on collections of up to 10%. With Opensea dominating over 90% of the NFT business, market developments often reflect the overall market performance. Sales volume has decreased year-on-year, falling from $5.2 billion in January to about $349 million in September. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the CoinCu channel to stay up to date on the latest news.